Hi, we're back here on the SGTV stand. We've got our second competitor of the day. We've got Jay. Jay, how you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
How you feeling about having a go on the Time is Money challenge? Confident. Okay. Right then, so I'm just going to explain it for you. The idea is other trades getting in your way. So the first one is plumbers that plumbed over your FCU. All you've got to do is open the drawer, physically take the fuse out, put it back in as though you've changed it, close the drawer. Go on to the next one where the plasterers are skimmed over your double back box. Chisel all the plaster out, put a double socket on with your earth sleeving, fold over your terminals, times challenge, fastest time of the day wins, okay? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pressure's on, Jay. He's making fast work of the fuse. Have you got any friends behind you, Jay? If anyone wants to heckle him, feel free. Next one, chisel all the plaster out. Doing good on the time so far. Fastest time to beat is 2 minutes 58. We haven't had anyone coming up that close for a while. I've not seen so much concentration in the past 2 days. It's doing faster than I did. Just over a minute left if you want to beat the fastest time. Last part of the challenge, all he's got to do is fix the socket to the wall.
And you got 45 seconds.
He could do it, you know. Come on, Jay, let's see what you got. You're in it to win it here. Pressure's on now, you can feel it. How are we? We're getting close. 28 seconds, Jay. You could do this. Come on, Jay, let's see what you got. Oh. Tell me when you're done. Stop. Whee.
I'm happy with that right now,
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have the fastest score over the 2 days so far. Jay, how did you find that?
All right.
Good.
All right.
Right, Jay, I want to thank you for coming on the stand.
It's all right.
Right, we hope to see you again soon at here at SGTV. See you again. Hey, I'm here with Rich on the SGTV challenge board. Rich, how you feeling? You've just witnessed right before you started the fastest time. Fastest time wins. Okay, everyone ready with the stopwatch? You ready, Rich?
I think so.
Feeling confident?
We'll see.
Are you sure?
No.
Right then, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, I don't think I've seen a fuse change that quick. It could be on it here. Could be on it here. Is this your mates behind you, Rich? If he really is mates, I want to hear some encouragement or abuse. Is that his laces undone? How we doing? 45 seconds. You feeling the pressure yet, Rich?
Yeah.
Your hand's starting to shake.
Yeah. You could have got some smaller sleeve either, could you?
No. If it helps, I can breathe down the back of your neck.
Oh, go on then.
Yeah. You got a crowd watching now. Pressure's on. How you feeling, Rich?
Getting there.
How we doing?
1 minute 10.
You might do it here. Once you're screwed in, once it's secured, you let me know and we'll stop the stopwatch. You might have it here, Rich. Don't let the pressure get to you.
There it is.
I think he's shaking now. Your mates are shaking the head now.
Stand-up plasterers in the way.
How we doing? You tell me when.
I won't say it.
Done. Whoa. We have the fastest time of the day. How did you find that, Rich?
Wasn't too bad.
Right. Just want to thank you for taking part. That's all from here. Thank you again. Bye.